Cardano value sort of remained at $0.3619 a coin in a genuinely large manner. The present range, $0.3614, $0.3676 in a very significant way. Yesterday's nearby, $0.3657. In spite of prevalent thinking, the change, 0.0038, 1.04%, which generally is genuinely critical. Backwards rate, United States dollars to ADA incredibly. Cardano value expectation for later, week and month, which truly is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, February 27, genuinely least cost $0.326 in every practical sense. Most extreme $0.376, and toward the day's end, cost $0.351 a coin, or so they certainly thought. ADA to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, February 28, fundamentally least cost $0.321, most extreme $0.369, and by the day's end, cost $0.345 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, least cost $0.319, most certainly greatest $0.367, and toward the day's end, cost $0.343 a coin in a genuinely enormous manner. ADA to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 2, most certainly least cost $0.309, kind of greatest $0.355, and by the day's end, cost $0.332 a coin, which is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, walk 3, in every practical sense, least cost $0.312, really greatest $0.360, and by the day's end, cost $0.336 a coin in a fundamentally large manner. In multi-week ADA to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 6, certainly least cost $0.306, greatest $0.352, and by the day's end, cost $0.329 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, kind of least cost $0.308, greatest $0.354, and by the day's end, cost $0.331 a coin, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. ADA to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 8, really least cost $0.317, lovely greatest $0.365, and by the day's end, cost $0.341 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, walk 9, least cost $0.303, greatest $0.349, and by the day's end, cost $0.326 a coin. ADA to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 10, least cost $0.324 in every practical sense, greatest $0.372, and by the day's end, cost $0.348 a coin in a genuinely enormous manner. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, least cost $0.349, greatest $0.401, and by the day's end, cost $0.375 a coin, in spite of mainstream thinking. ADA to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 14, genuinely least cost $0.341, greatest $0.393, and by the day's end, cost $0.367 a coin incredibly. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, genuinely least cost $0.339, greatest $0.389, and by the day's end, cost $0.364 a coin. ADA to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 16, least cost $0.347, really greatest $0.399, and by the day's end, cost $0.373 a coin. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, most certainly least cost $0.347, kind of greatest $0.399, and by the day's end, cost $0.373 a coin in a significant manner. In 3 weeks ADA to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 20, extremely least cost $0.316, fundamentally greatest $0.364, and by the day's end, cost $0.340 a coin. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, in every practical sense, least cost $0.311 in every practical sense, greatest $0.357, and toward the day's end, cost $0.334 a coin in an essentially significant manner. ADA United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 22, least cost $0.326, greatest $0.376, and by the day's end, cost $0.351 a coin, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, kind of least cost $0.312, greatest $0.360, and by the day's end, cost $0.336 a coin in a significant manner. ADA United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 24, least cost $0.316, most extreme $0.364, and by the day's end, cost $0.340 a coin. In about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, kind of least cost $0.312, most extreme $0.358, and toward the day's end, cost $0.335 a coin in a by and large significant manner. ADA United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 28, least cost $0.312, fundamentally most extreme $0.358, and by the day's end, cost $0.335 a coin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ADA today, which in a real sense is very critical. United States dollars to ADA swapping scale generally remained at 2.7632 coins per $1, which is genuinely huge. Today's reach, 2.72032 2.7670, which generally is genuinely critical. Yesterday's nearby, 2.7345, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change, plus 0.0287, plus 1.05%. United States dollars to ADA gauge for later week and month. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, February 27, by the day's end conversion scale 2.849 coins, fundamentally least 2.660, and extremely greatest 3.067 in a for the most part large manner. United States dollars to ADA expectations on Tuesday, February 28, by the day's end conversion standard 2.899 coins, certainly least 2.710, and truly most extreme 3.115 in a significant manner. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Wednesday, walk 1, by the day's end conversion scale 2.915 coins, least 2.725, and really most extreme 3.135 in an unobtrusive manner. United States dollars to ADA forecasts on Thursday, walk 2, by the day's end conversion scale 3.012 coins, least 2.817, and really most extreme 3.236 in a by and large significant manner. Dollar to Cardano figure on Friday,